How to edit your email signature in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail accounts. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to edit your email signature, you need to go to the settings. Here in the top left, you can see the three lines icon. Tap on it. Now you can see the settings icon over here. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom. And over here you can see the signature option. Tap on it. If it is not visible for you, you can turn on the desktop site mode. It will open up the signature page like this. In order to edit your email signature, you must have already created your signature before. Head over to the signature where you want to make some edits. And in the right hand side, you can see this update signature section. From here, you can edit your signature. You can change the name. You can edit your email signature content. You can also adjust the signature position. And once you are done, at the bottom, you can see the update button. You can tap on update and the changes you have made to your email signature will be saved. So that's how you can easily save your email signature in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.